Welcome to Xcluder's product installation tip video. I'm Jeremy, and I'm going to demonstrate on how to properly shim our door sweeps and how to install our set screws or locking screws to finish and complete your installation of our low profile, standard, or Versaline door sweep. When installing your Xcluder Low-Profile, Standard, or Versaline door sweep, you will need a 1/16 inch gap from the bottom of the bulb seal to the floor or threshold. We recommend using U-shaped shims, 2/4, or any flat object that is a 1/16 inch thick that cannot be compressed when used. When placing the shims underneath the door sweep, we want to make sure the flap is folded under the bulb seal, or the flap is pushed away so the bulb seal of the door sweep sits on the shim. Once the shims are in place, attach the door sweep to the door using the 2 end slots with the provided self-tapping screws. Now that the door sweep is secured, remove the shims. Open and close the door to make sure the door functions correctly. If any adjustments are needed, simply loosen the correct screw, make your adjustment, and repeat closing and opening the door. Repeat this step until 0 adjustments are needed. With adjustments complete and the door functioning correctly, we can install the rest of the screws in the provided slots. To complete the installation of your Xcluder door sweep, you will install the locking or set screws. The locking or set screws will be installed at each end of the Xcluder door sweep. To help with the installation, you can use a handheld tool called a punch. Press the pointed end into the door sweep. This will create a divot in the door sweep, keeping your screw from moving across the surface of the door sweep when installing the locking or set screw. Once you've installed both locking or set screws at each end of the door sweep, the installation of your Xcluder door sweep is complete. For more installation tips, watch our other videos on our Xcluder YouTube channel or simply give us a call. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.